One of my preferred methods of installation for the Nuna REVV is definitely using the latches and lower anchors. I'm Emilio from Baby and I've been reviewing baby gear for over 30 years, and I'm here to help guide you down your shopping journey. If you'd like to see any of these products, click any of the links down below. This makes it a really simple install of connecting it on both sides, guiding it underneath the tension door, locking it, and all I have to do is connect my tether strap. The Nuna REVV is very simple to spin. You can unlock it from either side and face the child in either direction. When moving, the seat must be rear-facing locked or forward-facing locked. The seat is capable of carrying your child 40 pounds in either direction, and 40 pounds sometimes is looked as a negative, but not in all reality, because the average weight of a 5-year-old in the US is 40 pounds. So if you get a good solid 3 to 4 year use out of your convertible car seat, I believe the car seat's done its job. And it has a 10-year expiration. Multiple children can use it. The Nuna REVV is newborn to 40 in either directions, very simple install and ease of use. You have any questions or comments, please leave it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell to be notified anytime I post a video like this. Comment which is your favorite down below. If you have any questions, feel free to call 877-882-2624 or email us at cs@bambibaby.com. To stay in the know, follow us on all of our other social media channels like Instagram and TikTok for daily content. If you're in New York or New Jersey, visit any one of our 4 locations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more video content.